We've got a real interesting project to look at today. This is the rail station in Vancouver, and it is normally a big hall that is tasked with loading people off of trains. But this weekend they're hosting a wedding, and whenever you get a lot of people in the same kind of space that's designed for short-term turnaround, temperatures get out of control, the place gets too hot, and the guests get uncomfortable. So we are going to be setting up 2 large air conditioners and cooling the space off for the course of the event. So the first thing that we have to do is construct a door filler. So in order for us to keep the conditioned air, the cooled air inside, we need to take advantage of a natural attribute of the building, and that is this overhead door. So we are going to build a wall filler, and then we're going to push the air that we cool from the machines in through this door filler. So it'll be plywooded. We're going to lower the overhead door down onto the top of the wall, and we create a nice sealed barrier, but it gives us a way to get our cooling inside without having to put the machines inside, which will make it way too noisy. The volume of the space inside is about 35,000 square feet with a 45-foot high ceiling. So it's a huge amount of air that we have to pull through our machine to pull the heat out of it. At the end of this production, everything gets knocked down and we take it away, and the door returns to its regular intended use. Okay, we're at the point of the job now where we've landed the cooling equipment. What we brought here are 2 20-ton air conditioning units. Now 20 tons is a measurement of energy, but also you can rate these in BTUs. These are 240,000 BTUs. 20 tons of cooling. That's enough to do just one of these 4 regular sized residential homes. So we've got 2 of these. Because of the immense amount of volume of air in this space, we need a lot of cooling horsepower, and that's what these guys are able to deliver for us. In order to manage the sound, everything needs to stay outside. The cooling units, the generator. That way the only thing that is inside is the ductwork that's delivering the cooled, conditioned air into the facility. We set it all up, we get it tested, we show an on-site manager or technical person how to operate the units, and if we're needed to come back for questions or troubleshooting, we're always available on the phone.
We'll wait for him to get off the phone.
See you then. Bye.